Hey everyone, I just wanted to welcome you guys to Vanity Vibes with Chante. I am Tiffany, aka Chante, and on this channel I will be focusing on makeup tutorials, maybe a little bit of fashion and other creative content as I get inspired. um, so this intro video is just a Sephora and Ulta restock of things that I just ran out of, some of my favorite items that I just have to have. Um, So as you guys are seeing everything come up on the screen, I'm just going to give you guys a quick little introduction of me, who I am. Um, so again, I'm Tiffany, aka Chante, and I am a middle school science teacher and biology college professor. I have two children, a boy and a girl, and I really got like heavy into doing my makeup during COVID. So of course, me being a middle school teacher, schools were shut down, and I spent probably about a year and a half at home due to them ending school early, and then the following year we were solely 100% virtual. So I started doing my makeup a lot more and practicing a lot more, and that pretty much began my love of makeup. Um, so that's a little bit about me. And I can't wait to make more content for you guys. And I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.